Hello guys, welcome back to the another video of gaming. So today I'm gonna show you how to fix lag inside your browser if you are playing 3D games inside your browser. So first of all, please like and subscribe. It will help us to reach more people, to help more people on this topic. So after this you need to open your default browser, then you need to search here for like edge colon slash the forward slash flags. So if you are using Chrome browser, you can easily type here Chrome. If you are using Brave, you can write Brave. I'm using Edge as our default browser, so I will type here Edge. Then you need to write here colon forward slash flags like this. Then you need to enter. So you need to search here for GPU. Then you need to enable the settings, force high performance GPU and override software rendering list. So this will help you to render your 3D games easily inside your browser. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. So bye.